Hello everyone. Myself Arya Dhananjay Pawar. I am from Vinutai Chavan College, Karad, and today I am here to present a speech. Actually, it's not a speech, it's a reality. That environment is no one's property to destroy. It's everyone's responsibility to protect. You all have understood only on which topic I am going to speak on, isn't you? Yes, my topic is environmental education, need of time. Now, what is environmental education? Everyone has question in their mind, right? Environmental education means environment and components of them, their problems, teaching about for social awareness, that is environmental education. Then why it is need of a time? In present era, world is under threat. Whole world is suffering because of environmental degradation. Many disease and insect pests are emerging, causing difficulties for living organisms to survive. Many species are on the verge of extinction. The food, water and air are contaminated or polluted. By having more knowledge on environmental education, we can sensitize our future generation and encourage them to find innovative solutions to protect our nature. In order to protect our nature, in order to protect our environment, we need to create more and more awareness. If we misuse natural resources, we will be depleted shortly. Environmental education helps us to understand overexploitation and acts accordingly. But at present, the quality of the environment is declining day by day. Food, water, air, space and land are polluted. Now see, we have 7 continents on planet Earth, right? Every human being has only one dream, which is to live better and consume better. But majority of them never care for the environment and planet Earth. Now we are more than 7 billion, but we have only one planet to live and survive. We have limited food, limited place and limited shelters. If we keep on using natural resources as we are doing every day, a day will come when our own grandchildren they will forced to live homeless with full of hunger. So we should stop wastage and use natural resources according to our need, not our greed. There is one line said by Mahatma Gandhi that earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed. And if all this continues, if natural resources continues to be used beyond limits, then one day it will surely come to our next generation that they should not need to build kitchen in their house. Instead of kitchen, they should need a lab. Yes, it's true. And in that lab, all the tablets of calcium, vitamin, proteins, minerals, which we need to our growth, it will present there and they will be forced to eat that because of us. No matter how much we have the power of technology, no matter how modern this world is, nothing can move us in front of a nature. But we can stop all this by studying environmental education, by understanding the feelings and emotions of environment. It's my pleasure to stand before you and thank you for listening my few words. We all have understood that why environmental education is need of time and we should think about it. Thank you once again and have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.